Hey everyone, welcome to a special video that I'm going to do. You guys love the Xfinity and the Cup series of me doing this, so I'm going to do it here for the trucks. It's the final series I'm doing. Driving into oncoming traffic. And yeah, I did not upload the Dover race for you guys, so here, I finished 18th at Dover. I'm leading by God knows how many points over Chase Briscoe, and I'm leading the playoff standings as of right now. I'm driving as Austin Cindric, dummy. Because, hi, can't wait to do this. Oh man, I want to see how this truck's like. I'm driving into oncoming traffic. I want to see how these trucks do on driving into oncoming traffic. I would love to see how these trucks do driving into oncoming traffic. I just want to see what it's like. Here they come. And then bang! Woo, yeah! Oh yeah, look at that! Woo! Overrun truck's dying! Oh, what a good way to start this. We're going to Bristol.
Okay, be smart out there. We're going green.
Alright, here's Haley D again.
Green.
It's not good on this series of driving into oncoming traffic. Alright, that's good enough. Move on. This is the track, is why I chose Austin Center to do this. So, what happened, this was like, I think, a couple of years ago where there were Casgrella and Austin Cindric were battling for the win at Canadian Tire. And Austin Cindric spun Casgrella, and yeah, and Austin Cindric, I did not like what he said to Casgrella. He said, the reason why I ran it because he's already into the playoffs. You're racing for a win, man! Why you have to dump him? I don't know where I'm gonna run into them. Oh, they're right there! Oh, they're right there! Love it, back up. This could be a bad one, but luckily this is the only road course the trucks go to. There's Riley Herbst. Alright, that's a bad one, but let's move on. Charlotte Motor Speedway, NASCAR's background.
Green flag.
Alright, here we go, baby. I chose the Vince Durrell truck, in case you were wondering what truck of Austin Cindric I'm driving. I'm driving the Fingarel truck, or however you pronounce it. That's the truck I'm driving as. Right here. Right now! Woohoo! Okay, look at that. Let's take a look at that. That's a good, alright. That was nice. Let's move on. Chicagoland.
Steady. Okay, be smart out there. We're going green.
Alright.
Baby, let's go get it.
Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Stay on the apron, Cindric, dummy. Stay on the apron, Cindric, bitch. This might be one of the most entertaining videos. Probably one of my top 3 entertaining videos. Alright, I'm gonna try to turn. Bang! Woohoo! Oh yeah, Granite Finger and Silver dying. Oh yeah, let's take a look at that. Oh, look at that wreck. That was Mon David. I know, probably one of the tracks you've all been waiting for.
Green, going green.
This might be a chance of getting a good wreck. We're going to get it. We're going to get our wreck, guys. It's going to happen. We're going to get that wreck. I'm going to try to ride it. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to ride the apron. The trucks go really slow, so... Alright, drop it to the bottom, Cindric, bitch. Alright, where are you gonna come? Alright. Bang! I might be a bad one. I think I drove a little Riley Herb Sky into me. Bang! Alright. Let's take a look at that. Hello, how are you? Good? Good.
We're going green. Green, baby. Let's go get it. Hey, slow down. Slow down.
Alright, here we go, baby. Wait till they get there. Alright, right now! Right now! Bang! Attack! Okay, that's not a good wreck. Let's just keep going. He needs a better attack. This is the first time in a while that I do a second attempt on this. Let me see if I can find a big wad. Like right there. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Eldora. How's this gonna go?
Green flag, green flag.
I see him. It's not gonna go well. Let's see. It didn't turn out that well, but this is a better attempt. It's the first time in a while I had to do 2 attempts. It's been a while. Alright, back up, back up. Try. This is why I made this video. Alright, we're moving on to the next shit. The next one, I should say. Alright, we're going to Gateway. I don't know how this is gonna turn, but we'll find out here.
Green flag. Go, 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 go.
Alright, we're at Gateway. I hope I get to the backstretch in time. Where are they? There they are. Did I even cause an accident? No, I did not. This is a better attempt. I want to get out of that. I hope to get out of that straight corner in time before I get there. We're gonna do this. We're gonna sit here. Bang! Alright, as long as I did the worst one, but this 2 attempts. I have not done 2 attempts in a decade, so we're moving on! Homestead. Somehow it's a day race at this track. I don't know why this game made a day race where in real life it was a night race at this track for the truck series. So don't ask me why today is a day race for the truck series. I don't know. Because every time when the trucks come here, they do a night race. Oh boy. Oh, don't do that. Okay, got in the wall. Oh, they're coming. Bang! Is that TJ Bell leading? Wow. Okay. Oh. Christina Bell. Woo. That was a good. That was. Yes! Let's move on. Iowa Speedway. Or is Iowa Raceway? I think it's Iowa Speedway. Oh, no. Okay, I'm trouble getting going. Alright, let's ride the apron. Ride the apron. Or pop under the track, that's fine too. Alright. There they are! Okay. Let's take a look at that wreck. Oh, they're wrecking. Okay, that's Ben Rowe, it's okay. Moving on to the next one.
Ready. Steady. Stay sharp. Green coming. Green flag. Go, 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 go. Hey, slow down.
Kentucky. The bluegrass. That was a cool one at Kansas. That was a cool one. Alright, I'm gonna just turn around. Alright, I'm having trouble getting the truck turned around, so yeah. I had a little trouble getting the truck turned around, so I don't know if I should turn around the other way or not, but you know, you go the way I do. Alright. I hope I get out of this street. Oh, they're right there! Oh yeah! Woohoo! Me and Christopher Bell dying. Jesus! I'll send you free! That was Mon David. Viva Las Vegas! Hi, Mark. Friday apron. Yeah, Todd Gillen, Grant Finger, woo! Where's Grant? There he is. That was Mon David. That was a beautiful one. Martinsville. They better get out of that corner before I get there. They do. Chase Briscoe. Let's park the field. Why not? Let's park them.
Still there. Clear high. Get up there.
Oh, they're coming. Don't you get on pit road. Okay. Okay. We're moving on to the next one. Michigan. Is this gonna go well? If I get this thing back. Damn it, can I get this thing on the track? Oh my god, I'm having a hard time getting this truck on the track. There we go. Or get on pit road, that's fine too. Oh man. I hope I get out of this turn before I get there, or they're gonna end up being in the corner, so I gotta be on the apron in case they're gonna get in the corner before I get there. There they are! Attack! Oh no, Gretchen Diane's on him. Oh! Jesus, I'll set you free. Destroy, baby. Destroy, baby, but it still works. Screw you. New Hampshire. You think this is gonna go well? Alright, Marlon, let's hit the pit wall. Why not? Alright, Marlon, let's hit the pit wall. Why not try and turn around? I'm hitting the brakes. Oh, get to the bottom. Attack! Why am I driving through them? Why am I driving through them? Oh, no, someone was flipping over. Okay. That's a beautiful one, to be honest with you. Phoenix. Ah. Did I even cause an accident? I did not. This needs a better attempt. I'm gonna wait. They're probably in turn one by now. Alright, let's crank her up. Ah! Alright, that's a better. Alright, this is a bad one, but we're gonna move on! If any track is gonna help me out, It's gotta be Pocono. It's my home track. Consider I'm on the other side of where this track is. I'm on the eastern side. This track is on the west. I live on the western side. I live on the east side of where the track is. So, yeah. I don't know where we're gonna run into them. So that's gonna be a good question. I don't know where we're gonna run into them. Try and mark it down to the bottom. And we're gonna crank her up. Bang! Let's take a look and see if we caused an accident. We did! Alright. Okay. That kind of went better, but it was a bad one, but it takes forever for them to come back around, so we're gonna move on to the next one. I know, probably one of the tracks you've all been waiting for. This might be a chance of getting some good shit. Can I get on pit road? I gotta be speed. It's gonna take forever for me to catch that because I'm on pit road. I gotta follow pit road speed. Right, it took me forever because I had to go pit road speed while I sped on the exit, but I don't care. Alright, we gotta... It's gonna be in the corner, which is gonna be interesting. Alright. Here they are! Attack! Oh, I'm dying! I'm like Elliott Sadler back in 2003. There we go, that's gonna be our thing. Let's move on to the last one! Is this, are you for real? Is this what my life has become? Flash, everybody. We are at Texas. Yeah, the truck series go to a limited amount of tracks compared to Xfinity and the Cup cars. They go to a limited amount of tracks. They don't go to a lot of tracks that the Cup cars go to. Alright, where are they? There they are. Oh, it's a good one! Attack! Alright. I hope you all enjoy of me driving into oncoming traffic of the trucks. I hope you all enjoy. Yeah, we're just gonna chill here for now. We're just gonna chill here. I hope you all enjoyed the NASCAR Heat 2 series of me driving oncoming traffic. There they go by. So I hope you all enjoy this series of NASCAR Heat 2 driving into oncoming traffic. Hope you all enjoy. We're just gonna go backwards now. We're just gonna go backwards. So, anyway, hope you all enjoy. Austin Cindric, you've been a good guy. I'll see you all later. I love each last one of you. And I'll see you all maybe for the 2018 update coming up. Goodbye!